Number 5 looks for us to just factor. Let's set up our dashes here. So we want to find two numbers here that multiplies to make 30. That adds up to this middle number of 11. The two numbers here are 6 and 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 plus 5 is 11. Next, we want to divide by this term, which is a 1x. The fact that it is a 1x, it doesn't simplify, so we just get x plus 6 and x plus 5. Notice that when a is equal to 1, we can skip the simplify step. Okay? So those are your factors. Here, let's set up the dashes. So two numbers that multiplies to make negative 20. That adds up to this middle number of negative 1. And those numbers are 5 and 4, 5 and 4, the negatives on the 5. Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. I can now divide by that number in front of 1x. So in factored form, it is just x minus 5 and x plus 4. That would be the complete factorization of it. C. We want to find two numbers here that multiplies to make 21. That adds up to this middle number of negative 10. Those numbers are 7 and 3, 7 and 3. Both of them have to be negative for it to work. Negative 7 times negative 3 is positive 21. Negative 7 plus negative 3 is a negative 10. I can now divide by that 1x. We don't need to simplify because it's just 1. So it becomes x minus 7 and x minus 3 is equal. And that would be, that's it. That would be its factorization. So there you go. We just factor it. We notice we can skip the simplifying step because a equals to 1.